Morning, everybody. This is our last night here in Acadia National Park. We got to spend 5 nights here, and we're starting to make the flip and start to head back down to Houston, Texas. And I don't know, about 2,000 miles. It's going to take several days because we're going to see things along the way. But
we're in no rush.
We've been out for about 7 weeks now. So, yeah. So
I've completely lost track of time.
We're going to stop at Fort Knox, Maine. And there's a tower we want to see and stuff. And
there is?
Yeah.
There's a tower?
Mm-hmm.
Wait a minute.
The bridge is part of a tower. So you'll see what I'm talking about.
I don't have to climb it, do I?
There's that orange car we could have pulled in front of it. I was pulling out the other day. Say goodbye.
See you later.
Bye.
This is the Penobscot Narrows Bridge and Observatory located in Maine. It is the highest bridge observatory in the world, taller than the Statue of Liberty, but not taller than the San Jacinto Monument located in Texas. Please follow the link below to get an inside look at the bridge.
Well, that's the old bridge. This is the new bridge construction. That is pretty neat. Wow. So these is what's lifted up, and to each section you can see the bridge is made up of each one of these sections. But this is the size of it. They left one here. That's incredible. Uh-oh, it's got a darn crack to it. That's why they probably couldn't use it. So this one did not pass inspection because look at the cracks going through it. Let me show you. You don't believe me. Look at it.
Where's the sign that says it doesn't?
See? Look at that. See the cracks?
Yeah.
See the cracks? They couldn't use this one.
Sign up there?
No, let's go read it. We need to go that direction to get home.
You're my navigator. I trust you on that.
Be sure to follow the links for an inside look at the bridge.